The Voice 7, Caroline de Bad the Top, l'absence of Menel explained. Marche 31, 2018, The Many Video of The Voice 7, TF1, a un point de nuit de last prime time de voteto de stage of de finale audition. De coach Mika, Zazie, Florent Pagny and Pascal Obispo, new coach Toloy, had opportunity to make a first selection inter-team by bringing up the talent, on stage in the form of trio and observing them, de share well in the plastic time. EACH coach also had opportunity to stay all to talent. Eris de summary of TD's TH episode presented by Nico Aniaga. Team Zazie. Alinor Lunagri Trion Kennedy. For final audition, Alinor decided au defend place with Bullfight of Francis Cabrel. I sometimes vocal of things as children, chanto showy sensitivity. For Zazie, it's still like emotion. Lunagri elle a des great vocal signature and elegance. Chanto interprète fundamental of Calogero. Zazie advising Motobi to blues. Rian Kennedy a very voiced Zazie is du said. I chose un welcome back to Montréal, of Robert Charlebois Forti audition. Ineatos Milmore. Rian Kennedy star de trio Witikove of Robert Charlebois. À Miss moment of emotion ta de licted Zazie de Noël Annie Weshse. Lunagri tag colvé 8 version of fundamental. From Doucet, de Pretty Blonde impose with charisma and grain voice. Mika gère pas de performance touchée. Zazie fait elle chui struggle to make a decision. Alinor come to close de trio. Born by the text of bullfitting, de Saint-Gé managed to captivate d'audience. Zazie son segment paquet. Zazie de site au continu with Lunagrit. BF Monden Lick Le Gré en Gabriel Laurent. For Zazie, Lick Le Gré en is very énigmatique. Chanto fin out more abouim. Lick Manitan Antonict, petit gréant de Sidet Otteka Som from Calogero, tout d'Instagram. It turn out tight was Zazie Rotit. B demi-mondaine miss du flow de Zazie Team, de coach le Vénéo Pinkside. De young moment de Sidet au sing time from Léo Ferretonite. Schmoss Bikarov une autobitou anxion en stage. Gabriel Laurent is de Chaumont les Afto d'Otunish. Toshotai de no just singlou, Ichosto interprète d'Arjos de Finofalin Bassung. En stage, petit gré incarne Autobigon of by Emotion, I sing it for a de CAZ Love. I interprète I song with to doin to nush, d'émotion I set de rendez-vous. BF Monden tag possession of the son. I version of We Time La, de Murray of Ben very far from the original de Coach Mick de Showboy, Los Florent Pagny, Oliqua de Saint-Géry Lise. D'Outsider impredictable Team Zazie, managed to Chanel Energy, and the show is very nice Zazie is smiling, Mika Bea de Meazur, I a Cardboard. Zazie de site au continu de compétition with BF Monden. Obispo. Georges Sablico Richie Florent Marchand. Richie a Voice of Elve, a Sweetness Buis de Richie. De talent annonce to Coachta, y a chose au singlant of Florent Pagny. In staff confidence inime, Otter Wheezy will no fizzling de compétition. Florent Marchand a un incroyable technique for rayonnage, y a en singing for a year. Nick Boint au sing Tangouin Lick from Bruno Mars. ITIS impératif time orchestage présence. Georges Sablico is a musicien 8, a Beautiful Grain of Voice Alit le Rocky. I love no. I will sing Miller of Edith Piaf tonight. Pascal Obispo a Simno, to de tout muchon de Moving Sony a trouble singing with tout l'instrument ignorant. Georges is the first to hanté de compétition. Il a hunch casual in performance, and d'audience is kit receptive. Oui Tabianoug. Toby continued. Florent Marchand Takové. Full of freshness, y arrive on stage Witikove of Bruno Mars, and the mouvement armor assurait enduring rehearsal. De Voix 6 de rendez-vous. Richie de Trio 8 Loutry. Et recovery of Florent Pagny is a real success. OEV, the talent is very with Brown, the Richie, and the performance suffit. The agility simplicity. Pascal Obispo de Cito continue with Florent Marchand. Kelly Celia Milena. Milena chose to sing the Welds from Vienna of François Fellman. Pascal Obispo ask listening to pay close attention to the melody, and not to stray too far from the chorus. Celia, having surprised during a audition with a cover of Katy Perry, decided to continue momentum by defending herself with the title Because You from Axel Red. Pascal Obispo de not empty choice swim particularly. Kelly a rock influence. Tonic Chui single men con Damien Salé. The coach Juan et Ospea directly to Pipwitty protest song. Schmost no have anti. Kelly star de Trio 8 et guitar and sway voice. Dice fixed on de camera, it gradually build up and the result is kit convincing. Seul il commence à jouer tes sway song, chou cette fierté en joyau mais al Katy Perry et Harley in de compétition. The beautiful voice of the young woman is theater, émotion tout. Florent Pagny fin de proposal interesting. Milena close de marche. Evapor voice on the Welds from Vienna, is the most beautiful effect. Pascal Obispo CM Toava, a great time tantôt de pretty interprété. Pascal Obispo de Cito continue de compétition with Kelly. Team Mika. De Cric jeudi chez Alec Parod. Eris a contemporary trio, alternative and improbable according to the coach. Charlie surprise Mika from the rehearsal, she's no so dark ty cool tank. If it even fun. To convince tonict, she decided to resume avec Cesaria of Stroma. Mika advising to smile more en son stage. The Cric single with Taylor accompagné by an orchestra but do everything yourself, tell we defend yourself with beach but have my money of Rihanna. Have to pay attention to their singing even if they have, I love the visto dans long stage. Jeudi chose c'est à le prayer ta Franklin. It emis a bit of soul for Mika. Jeudi is the first to go on stage. Performance is impeccable, voice is mastered and interpretation is at the rendezvous. The coach are packed it bejan well. They believe.